I Am Secure has grown into a shared advocacy, a mission that XMS is proud to co-author with ISOG. Minsan nga po, nalilito na yung mga tao kasi parang mag-asawa na si XMS at saka si ISOG. So today, we are going to emphasize that I Am Secure is a brand. And so, believing in ISOG's commitment to strengthening information security in the country, I've come to see I Am Secure not just a professional responsibility, but as a personal calling. And I'm proud that XMS has helped bring ISOG's vision to life. One campaign, one program, one meaningful step at a time. So today, allow me to take you down memory lane and relive the journey of ISOG's flagship program, I Am Secure. It all began in 2018 under the visionary leadership of Chairman Emeritus Mr. Joey Regala, with the dynamic Corp Secretary then of the group and the author of I Am Secure campaigns, now ITIP's President Sir Alan Malig, and the ever-committed Sir Alvin Punsalan. By then, the treasurer and now the vice president of the organization. Siya po yung nag-hazing sa akin during those times. I was tasked to rescue some event matters and build ISOG's first full-scale campaign, a 30-day cybersecurity awareness movement that ran from October 8 to November 8. So from zero to hero. It was a hectic month, but a truly historic one. I still vividly remember how we did each content for every awareness poster and video, setting the tone for the impactful campaigns that followed. Gusto ko siya i-flex kasi up to now, it's still very important na itong mga nagawa namin from 2018 is nasa basic pa rin tayo up to this time, no? So this one, we are proud of this, that maybe you can still use it in your organizations. It's up with, it's in our Facebook sites, but if you want to request for a higher resolution, you can still use this. This has a very, this is really intended for the students in general. So very basic. So dun sa mga, especially yung mga organizations nandito, from AFP, from the Navy. Ito po, pwede namin to ipahiram at ang intention po nito is yung dun po sa bandang baba is pwede nyo ilagay yung brand ninyo. So it's ISOG together with your brand. Hindi po kami masyadong mahigpit sa copyright. I-cite lang din po ninyo kung pwede lang. No? So, okay, and then we also have the videos. So you can also browse this in our YouTube channel. So you can see here what is phishing, malware, ransomware, basic things na as in naka-cartoons pa siya para talagang maintindihan ng mga bata. Pero sa totoo lang, para maintindihan din ng ilan sa atin na medyo, sa totoo lang yung mas matatanda pa yung kailangang nating i-orient. No? Yung mga bata, alam na kaagad nila yun eh. So, right. There you go. Alright, so let's go to 2019. At baka hindi tayo matapos dito sa storytelling natin dito. No? Okay, so the momentum continued in 2019 when I Am Secure returned with the theme Information Security Professionals in the Midst of the Digital Tsunami. The campaign addressed the growing complexity of cybersecurity in an increasingly digital world. Then came 2020, and the pandemic changed everything. XMS, like many, was challenged. That year, the campaign was handled by a good friend, also credible agency, Team Asia. But even in lockdown, ISOG didn't pause. Instead, ISOG launched I Am Secure 2020. A 2-day virtual summit that brought global best practices into the homes of our stakeholders, proof that cybersecurity knows no lockdown. In 2021, under the leadership of Mr. Archie Tolentino, aking tatay at tatay nating lahat, as its president, and Mr. Chito Jacinto as its events chairman, ISOG once again tapped Eximes to lead. That year, we pulled off one of the most challenging events yet, a full virtual summit inside a 3D venue experience. True to its name, I Am Secure not only adopted, it thrived. By 2022, we embraced the hybrid setup. The campaign launched its first virtual forum and later on introduced the ISOG Excellence Awards, our first on-site event after pandemic, recognizing the survivors and heroes of the pandemic in the cybersecurity space. In 2023, malapit na pong matapos, we returned to a full-scale, face-to-face event with renewed strength. I Am Secure introduced the first ISOG X. It's a TEDx-style cybersecurity pitch and full-scale exhibition, meeting the increasing demand for innovation and real-world solutions. While all is starting to be at the normal pace of operations, internally, we were also fixing the further growth of ISOG by securing a credible secretariat, Nilda Di Maano. Saan si Ma'am Nilda? Nasa labas busy. Ganun siya ka-credible. Who now serves the group as its operations manager. Through her, both ISOG and Eximes transactions are in better scale and in order. Hence, in 2024, the first official oath-taking of members from more than 50 companies of more than 100 individuals at its 10th year anniversary came into fruition. While the membership process of the group has been secured, we in Eximes continue to bring each and every event to new heights. On that period, we held our first ever cybersecurity colloquium featuring research-based case studies at the Asian Institute of Management. The event grew so significantly that we have to move from a 4 to 5-star hotel conference space of Shangri-La to the SMX Convention Center in BGC. Hindi na po kasi talaga kami kasya, lalo na dumadami yung mga booth na tatakpan namin halos lahat ng fire exit. Yun ang complaint sa amin lagi ng Shangri-La. From EDSA Shangri-La, napunta tayo sa 4th for 2 years, 2 years, now nasa SMX BGC na tayo. Malay natin if darating ang time, SMX Pasay na sa sobrang laki. Let's see, no? And as you know, we have also involved that time, although alam ko masyadong short notice, BSP, DICT, NPC, AFP, and the Naval Reserve Forces NCR. Sa totoo lang, isang linggo lang or parang a few days before the event, sabi namin, may free space po kami pa dito sa SMX. Punta po kayo dito. Nakakatuwa, 100% tumulong, nagpadala, sumuporta. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon lahat because I've seen na parang akala ko mahirap. Yun pala, kailangan lang namin magtanong. Kailangan lang pala namin mag-advise. Makukuha naman pala namin yung oo. So maraming salamat po. So ayun, mas marami na po tayo ngayon. Hopefully magkasya po talaga pa rin tayo. Ayun nga, meron naman tayong plans of transferring. Kaya pa ba natin sa DGC? Kayang-kaya pa. So again, panote lang po mga dates ay October 2 for another set for that purpose again sa ISOG X at saka bibigyan po namin kayo ng chance to have your booth set up there. And so, this is an opportunity kasi for you to showcase the security programs of your offices at the same time, networking opportunities to our delegates. And now, ito na, 2025. As I Am Secure celebrates its 8th year, we look ahead with even greater mission and vision under the guidance of Mr. Chito Jacinto as its president. and Alvin Punsalan as its VP. With a strong track record behind us, we're expanding our reach, building new social media channels, and a dedicated website for the program. So watch out as we're launching it on May. May sarili na pong website ang I Am Secure. This new platform will strengthen the growth of the program with focus on such great feat. While ISOG, on the other hand, as an organization, can also explore and build more programs that will showcase their members in creating new projects and campaigns. Gawa na rin po ulit kayo ng bagong I Am Secure. Mga members na, no, ng ISOG. The stabilization of ISOG and XMS through the years and establishing not just an I Am Secure, but as well its core foundation as an organization and as a private company makes the venture stronger now more than ever. As we further curate campaigns for the different industries, not just the FSI, which will also give the organization new potential members, partners, and spread its turf and advocacy to the whole country. And solidify the ecosystem of the industry by inviting, collaborating, and engaging more institutions, organizations, sponsors, and stakeholders, assured to the direction of a full-scale series of events to fortify the organization members, but also allows potential enablers and leaders of such niche expertise in security. Napakakonti pa lang po kasi talaga natin. Sa totoo lang, mga sponsors, minsan nahihirapan ako sa inyo, Shamir, I need 1,000 C-level. Paano ba yun? Saan po natin kukunin ang 1,000 C-level? So kaya, to be feasible at realistic, ang kaya lang po namin ay mid-management hanggang C-level. Sana po dumami na ang mga gagraduate at sila po ay maging boss po kaagad. So far, I think ganun po ang nangyari ngayon. So para madagdagan ang mga leads ninyo. Pero sa totoo lang, isa siya sa pinakamahirap na pangako namin na tinatry namin i-upgrade kasi baka mamaya wala lang din sila lahat dito. Baka nandun sila sa Visayas na rin. Nandun na rin sila iba sa Mindanao. Let's see. No? So we're doing all our efforts naman to spread the word and so mas marami pa pong sumali. So hand in hand, ISOG and XMS will further raise the bar for cybersecurity awareness, not just locally but globally. Year after year, I Am Secure proves to be not just the grandest cybersecurity event series in the country, but a catalyst for industry collaboration, innovation, and economic growth. On behalf of the entire XMS team, thank you to ISOG for your continued trust. And of course, we thank the cybersecurity community for being part of this journey. Here's to more years of purpose-driven programs and milestone. Here's to keeping I Am Secure stronger than ever. Thank you very much and welcome to I Am Secure 2025.